If you're a fan of apple pie, then you need to watch this. Welcome to our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Everybody is looking for the perfect apple pie recipe, and today, you're in luck. If your apple pie looks like a brick, you're in the right place. Let's fix that. First up, the ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 6 cooking apples. Easy enough, right? For the pastry, mix 2 cups of flour with a pinch of salt and 1 cup of cold butter. Use your hands and get in there. Add 4 tablespoons of cold water and mix until it's a doughy ball. Now wrap it up and chill it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, peel and slice those apples. Toss them with 1 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Smell that? That's autumn in a bowl. Roll out your dough and place it in your pie dish. Fill it with your apple mix and cover with more dough. Crimp the edges and cut a few steam vents. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes. Boom! Delicious apple pie. Share it or not, I won't judge. In this chapter, we'll show you how to make a delicious banana cream pie with a perfect crust and creamy filling. Ready to impress your taste buds? Let's get started. First, the ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of sugar, 4 large eggs, 2 cups of whipped cream, 3 ripe bananas for the crust. Use 1½ cups of crushed graham crackers, 1/2 cup of melted butter, 1/4 cup of sugar. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Mix the crushed graham crackers, melted butter, and 1/4 cup of sugar in a bowl until well combined. Press this mixture evenly into a 9-inch pie dish to form the crust. Bake for 10 minutes, then let it cool. Now for the creamy filling. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of sugar and 4 large eggs. Whisk together over medium heat until the mixture thickens, about 10 minutes. Remove from heat and let it cool slightly. Slice the bananas and arrange them evenly on the cooled pie crust. Pour the creamy filling over the bananas, spreading it out smoothly. Refrigerate the pie for at least 2 hours to set. Finally, top with 2 cups of whipped cream. You can add a few banana slices on top for decoration if you're feeling fancy. There you have it, a perfect banana cream pie. Enjoy! In this chapter, we will show you how to make a delicious raspberry and cream pie. Ready to elevate your dessert game? Let's dive right in. First, let's make the crust. For this, you will need 2 cups of crushed graham crackers, 1/2 cup of melted butter. Mix these ingredients together in a large bowl until you have a crust mixture that holds together. Press this crust mixture evenly into a 9-inch pie dish, ensuring that it forms a firm and even base. Once your crust is ready, set it aside. Next, let's work on the filling. You will need 2 cups of fresh raspberries, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1/2 cup of sour cream, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1 cup of powdered sugar. In another bowl, combine the fresh raspberries, cream cheese, heavy cream, sour cream, melted butter, and powdered sugar. Whisk these ingredients together until well blended. Pour this mixture into the prepared crust, spreading it out smoothly. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Place the pie in the preheated oven and bake for 45 minutes, or until the filling is set and the crust is golden brown. Once baked, let the pie cool on a wire rack. For an extra touch of indulgence, you can drizzle some raspberry sauce over the top and sprinkle with a few extra fresh raspberries. There you have it, a delectable raspberry and cream pie that will surely impress your friends and family. Enjoy! Today, we'll be making a refreshing and creamy lemon pie that's perfect for any occasion. Let's get started with the crust. For the crust, you will need 1½ cups of crushed graham crackers, 1/2 cup of melted butter, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. In a large bowl, combine the crushed graham crackers, melted butter, and granulated sugar. Mix until well combined and the mixture holds together. Press this mixture evenly into a 9-inch pie dish, ensuring it forms a firm and even base. Once your crust is ready, set it aside. Now let's move on to the filling. You will need 1 can 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, 1/2 cup of fresh lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, 3 large egg yolks. In a mixing bowl, whisk together the sweetened condensed milk, fresh lemon juice, lemon zest, and egg yolks until smooth and well combined. Pour this mixture into the prepared crust, spreading it out evenly. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 163 degrees Celsius. Place the pie in the preheated oven and bake for 30 minutes, or until the filling is set and the edges are slightly golden. Once baked, let the pie cool on a wire rack. For a beautiful finish, let's decorate the pie. You can use whipped cream, lemon slices, fresh mint leaves, pipe or spread whipped cream around the edges of the pie, then add a few lemon slices and fresh mint leaves for a pop of color and extra flavor. And there you have it, a creamy lemon pie that's as delicious as it is beautiful. Enjoy. Thank you for joining us in this pie making journey. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time.